On the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, fortunes are made and lost in a flash. But in the early 20th century, no one played the game quite like Jesse Livermore, a man known as both the boy plunger and the Great Bear of Wall Street. His life was a dizzying roller coaster of incredible wealth and total ruin, a dramatic story that holds powerful lessons for anyone who dares to play the market. Born in poverty in 1877, Jesse Livermore left his family's farm at 14, determined to find another path. With his mother's blessing and a few dollars in his pocket, he took a job in a Boston brokerage house, posting stock quotes on a giant chalkboard. It was here that his mathematical mind and photographic memory first came into play. He began to see patterns, not just numbers. Livermore began trading in bucket shops, unregulated establishments where customers bet on stock prices. His uncanny success soon got him banned from nearly everyone in Boston. By age 20, he moved to New York City, where he would take on the real Wall Street. Livermore's fame reached new heights during the Panic of 1907. Sensing the market's irrational exuberance, he began to short sell. When the crash hit, Livermore reportedly made a profit of over $3 million in a single day. The legendary financier J.P. Morgan himself even asked Livermore to stop shorting the market, fearing it would trigger a deeper panic. Livermore complied and became a national hero, known as the Great Bear of Wall Street. Flush with cash, Livermore embraced a lavish lifestyle, complete with mansions, yachts, and a glamorous showgirl wife. But he never stopped watching the market. In 1929, he saw the same dangerous signs of overvaluation he had seen before. He began building his short positions, using dozens of brokers to hide his moves. As the market spiraled downward in October 1929, Livermore's bet paid off in a spectacular way. He reportedly netted an astonishing $100 million from his short positions. But his massive profit also came with a dark side. The public, devastated by the crash, vilified him, and he even received death threats. The pressure, combined with a tumultuous personal life, took a heavy toll. The years after 1929 were filled with tragedy. Livermore's fortune, made with a single masterful trade, quickly evaporated due to bad investments and extravagant spending. He filed for bankruptcy for the final time in 1934. His family life also fell apart. A difficult divorce, and a scandalous incident where his second wife shot his son. By 1940, burdened by depression and personal setbacks, Livermore saw no way out. On Thanksgiving Day, November 28, 1940, Jesse Livermore took his own life in the cloakroom of a New York hotel. His final note to his wife read, "My dear Nina, can't help it. Things have been bad with me. I am tired of fighting. Can't carry on any longer. This is the only way out." Jesse Livermore's spectacular and tragic life, immortalized in the book Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, remains a cautionary tale and a trading Bible. His legacy isn't just in his legendary market calls, but in his timeless lessons on discipline, money management, and the profound psychological toll of speculation. He proved that mastering the market requires not only intellect, but also control over one's own human flaws of greed and fear. The market may never change, but as Jesse Livermore's story shows, the human heart remains the biggest variable of all. Livermore's tale offers a window into the mysteries of market mechanics and the human psyche. Despite his mastery of market trends, Livermore's life unraveled due to the very human impulses he tried to conquer. His discipline in analyzing data was legendary. He understood that markets move in cycles, repeatedly saying, "There is nothing new on Wall Street." Yet, his rise and fall remind us that understanding numbers is only part of the equation. Livermore also emphasized the importance of timing and patience. He once advised, "It wasn't my thinking that made the big money for me. It was my sitting." This patience was key to his success, waiting for the right moment to strike. Still, Livermore's inability to manage personal struggles and emotional volatility ultimately led to his downfall. His experiences shed light on the importance of psychological fortitude in trading. This dual nature of brilliance and vulnerability leaves a lasting impact on aspiring traders. Livermore exemplifies the power of strategic foresight while cautioning against the dangers of letting emotions dictate decisions. In many ways, Jesse Livermore's story still resonates today, illustrating that the most potent challenges in trading lie not just in the market's complex data, but within the human spirit.